The square root of 75x to the 7th y cubed is not a perfect square, so we need to factor and find our perfect squares. 75 is 25 times 3. X to the 7th we can write as x to the 6th times x, and y cubed we can write as y squared times y. Now, we want to then separate out the perfect squares and the non-perfect squares. So I can use the product rule to do that. My perfect squares are 25x to the 6th and y squared. So I'm going to write those together under one radical. And then the other items, the 3, the x, and the y, are not perfect squares, so I'll clump them together under another radical. Now we can find the square root of each of these. The square root of 25 is 5. The square root of x to the 6th, if you recall, the square root of when you have an even exponent, you divide that exponent by 2, so this would be x cubed. The square root of y squared is y. None of those are perfect squares, so they stay underneath the radical, and that is our answer.